Hi, in this video we're going to look at setting up the speed dial feature in your US dollar calling account. So the first thing to do is to go and look at an account and see where in the WAM you can do this. So the first thing is, here's the address at the top for your WAM. So I've set up a test account. We'll log into the test account. There we go. Check that you have the phone icon on the right. Select on the left menu, you'll see My Profile. And if you scroll down My Profile, you'll see another section called Speed Dials in the menu. So select that. Now you'll see that two speed dials in fact have already been set up. And to add another speed dial, you just go to the white plus sign on a blue background circle, bottom right, click on that, and just continue with the process. So for example, if you were setting up a third number to call, and let's face it, most people have 1, 2, 3 numbers that they call all the time, so you don't need to have too many, but you can have up to 9 different speed dials or shortcodes. When you're setting up a speed dial, you need to remember to put in 00, or in this case for a UK number, or USA. But start with the correct international prefix and then let's put in a number here which is not necessarily valid, but just to prove the point, 001567048. Is a US number. We'll say that that's Jimmy, and save. And there you are, it's Jimmy. To operate the speed dial is very simple. You just press the number you see on the left under the shortcut. So if you wanted to call home, you would press 2, and after this, if you press hash, it quickens up the process, so you would press 2 and a hash. The point is that with a speed dial it can save you money, because if you get the dial wrong, the number wrong, and you're dialing out the incorrect number, of course you get charged for that, or it doesn't connect, which is all time. So it makes for more accurate dialing. And of course, if you have speed dial set up on your WAM account, you're more likely to use the service for international calling, which may well save you money. So those are the reasons for using speed dials. They make life a lot easier. And to exit your WAM at this stage, if you need to have a reminder, you go to the top at the name, the username, and you'll see a menu coming down. Just go to log out, and that's it. So how to set up and use speed dials with your US dollar account. Any problems, please call us. We'll look forward to hearing, and thanks for watching.